this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the March and February wrap up and what is going on into March. The reason why I have this coming up the last day of February on my channel instead of like day 2, 3, 4 in it is because I have a crazy idea that came to my head and reached out to a couple of people and we'll be doing it. So I'm gonna go through my list and then I'll talk about that at the end because I'm gonna wrap up what February brought to me and how things are going and that kind of stuff. So close to my heart sales were absolutely amazing. My hostess for the month. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know this, but will get to know this in the beginning of every 6 months, I do what we call a hostess rewards program. So I get 6 ladies, and those 6 ladies are my hostess for the 6 months. So right now I have it going from January to June. My next set will be July to December. And each month, out of those 6 ladies, one of them becomes the hostess. They get rewards. They automatically get a certain amount of rewards because it is $45 per month for them to spend, and they can budget. It's an easy way to get products that you would like on a budget. And $45 times 6, you get to where I'm going at. It's about $260-ish dollars, and that gets them the first set of rewards, which is $40 of free product and 1/2 off items. So the lady that was my hostess for the month of February racked out very well. When I filmed this, she was at $80 of free product and 2 half-off items, and I do know that she had about a week left to go because I know that this is going up on the 28th of February, and she had about another 10-ish days, a little under 10 days left to go for her sales. So I know that she probably hit almost that $100 mark in 2 half-off items. So that's amazing. And so thank you for all of my US sales, the ones that ordered, my customers. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. If you have not looked at it that you are in the US, unfortunately, I can only sell to the United States, people that are in the US, but if you are international, comment down below. If you're interested, we can talk. I will let you know how we can do it, but we can talk, okay? The other thing is that I'm blogging almost on a weekly basis, as long as I have layouts that go up or my bullet journaling, traveler's notebook, whatever the case may be. I do blog, and so check that out. It'll be linked down below. It is called www.myscrappylife.net. That is my website or my blog, and I blog everything. With that being said, I am trying to gain customers on the respect for subscriptions because I send out 2 to 3 emails a month just on what's going on. Little blurbs of what's on my website just goes in that. And I try to do like the 1st and the 15th of every month. Like the 15th of every month is going to be close to my heart related, like all of the products that I've used for that month. I do it in a blog style newsletter, just so that you kind of get to know a little bit more of the products and that you don't have to use the products exactly the way they send them out to you. That's the beauty of what I do. I'm not your traditional close to my heart consultant that follows the sketch and do the workshops the same way. I go outside of that, outside of the box, and I do my blogs and my layouts and all that kind of stuff that way. So I am trying to, my goal by the month of May is to have 20 subscribers. So link down, or check out the link down below. I will have that link there. and hook up. Like I said, you get 2 a month, and it's not like I blast every week or every day or any of that. It's 2 emails a month. So I would love to have you as one of my email subscribers. Also, with all of that being said, I had an amazing month. I had my 2 design team layouts as well that went up on my channel, and I gained, in the month of February and January, I gained almost 200 subscribers. Yay! So welcome everybody that is new into the new year. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you are enjoying it. If you are new and you just found this, subscribe, because I will tell you what's going on in just a little bit of what's happening in March. Also, outside of all of that, life is life. Everything is good. You guys know that I talk about my just everyday moments, whatever else may happen while I am scrapbooking on my channel. I do upload 2 to 3 times a week. I try at least. The new series, I guess, tracking my life, tracking my Scrappy life, is going pretty well. That's my bullet journaling on a weekly basis, and that happens every Sunday. On an occasion, every Saturday, a couple of Saturdays or whatever, due to the fact of whatever I'm doing for my channel. But that is going well. I am into month number 3 for that, so that's pretty good. I was surprised that I've been sticking with it, so I'm excited for that. Outside of all that, here is my crazy idea. So we all know what March is. If you are in basketball and you follow college ball, and I'm a huge college ball, go Duke, go Duke. I'm just saying it. They call it March Madness, right? It's all about basketball. Every day is a game. You know, for me, I have like 5 or 6 different links on my channels, because on my computer, I dual screen it. Some days I wish I could have a 3rd screen, just because I need all of that space and all that, computerness. But I dual it, and I'll have like everything up. So my brain thought, why don't we do what's called a Scrap Madness? So I am doing a video a day. Laura and I are going to do a video a day. For that respect, I will have a Scrap Madness Scrappy tag, which I am going to let you know. I'm filming both of these on the same day, so you're going to see me wear this twice. I'm just letting you know. By all means, it was filmed on the same day. I'm just saying. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. You will get to see this whole outfit, this nice outfit times 2. Just so I could knock it out. I had to teach today. I wore my hair down, which normally I don't. Normally it's up, and it works. Well, Laura and I decided, let's take it one step further. So we reached out to a numerous abundance amount of people. Huge amount of people. And asked, we're doing something crazy, but we're asking you to do one thing crazy with us. Would you like to be our guest designer for the month, like for that day? And we have racked out another 32, 33 ladies that are going to be our guest designers. So each day when you check out Laura's and our video, so automatically right there, you're getting 62 inspiration for this month, because March has 31 days. You take that times 2, that's 62. Well then, because we're adding the 1 person per day, a couple of them we duplicated. We started out at first to make sure that we had somebody 1 person a day, and then when they came back to me after we filled all the days up, then after that we allowed the duplication of for the month. So we do have a couple of them where there's 2 guest designers for a particular day. And so we're rounding out at about 95-ish layouts that you will get in the whole month of March for inspiration. There's no theme. It's whatever they want to do. There's no whatever. It's whatever. We're video a day, and it's Scrap Madness, so it's just all crazy paisy. And to start out with our Scrap Madness, tomorrow we are going to be doing a video hop. And the video hop is for Crafty Megan. She hit 5 years on YouTube, and all of us are doing a hop with her. So that's what we're starting out with, Scrap Madness. You will hear that, and then welcome to 31 days worth of videos. Now, a couple of them especially for Laura and I, we're going to do a couple of video tags and that kind of stuff, so it's not going to be officially full layouts, but it's still scrapping related. So that is what we're doing in the month of March. Get on for the ride, like and subscribe to both our channels. Everything will be linked down below of what I talked about in this video, and then to Laura's channel. And then you have to go check out both of our channels each day to find out who our guest designer is, and then their link will be down below. Their channel link will be down below in our descriptions, and of course their description. We do have a little like intro picture that they know to use, so that you guys know that that's the Scrap Madness video a day guest designer. So I hope you enjoy this. I really loved what February came to me. I really am going to enjoy March. As of right now, I am on the 19th of February filming this. So like I said, I'm a little early, but I wanted to get this knocked out because I needed to put this up on the 28th so that you guys knew what was going on in the month of March. I am ahead of schedule. I've got almost a week and a half done, so I'm excited. We'll see if that sticks. Not sure if it'll stick, but let's see if it sticks. But everything's going well. I hope that you love all of our product, and welcome to the Scrap Madness, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye!